back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, I am so excited to have you here. It's great, it's gonna be great. I am very excited for today's video because I've been waiting for this certain package for quite some time now. So basically by the title of this video, you will have read, seen, heard that me and my brothers bought my mom something Gucci for Christmas, and it just came in. I don't know why I'm whispering, but yeah, we bought her a Gucci belt for Christmas, and it's currently Monday the 7th of January. So obviously it did come very, very late. So Gucci, you guys need to get on that because you guys said that her belt would be here by Christmas because we ordered it in like November, like October or something, or like November. I don't remember. That rhymed. But yeah, we ordered my mom a Gucci belt, and I'm gonna go get the box real quick. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting! So this is the belt in all its glory. She's been waiting for this gift, and me and my brothers got her this for Christmas, and it's here. I'm really hoping that this belt fits her because sizing is always weird for brands that do like size 110 and 112 and all that stuff, but we did get her a size 110, and it's probably gonna be too big or maybe too small, like I don't know. But she's been wanting this for a very long time, so I'm about to go give it to her. My brothers are sadly not here. They are at college. It's just me and my dad. But here is the belt, and I am so excited to give this to her. My brothers are with me in spirit. So if you guys are excited for this video, then let's go ahead and give it to my mom because she's gonna be so thrilled. But don't forget to subscribe and like this video and join the Goria gang. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and I do have a lot of extra videos too. Let's go ahead and get started. Also, how do you guys like this new light? I have like a ring light now, so I can like literally take it anywhere with me. Let's do this. Hello? Yeah. What's up? Nothing much. What do you mean? I'm not telling you anything. Actually, I have really bad news. I'm kidding.
What happened?
What? What's in my hand?
I don't know.
She doesn't know? I think she knows.
It's what?
I think you know.
I have no clue.
Merry Christmas. Open.
Happy New Year.
Oh no.
Merry Christmas, Merry New Year. I know the boys aren't here, but... And we told... Okay, so for Christmas, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a video right here.
Something coming soon.
Read it.
What
No.
is it?
It's on back order. It's already ordered. 2 weeks to get it.
You got a Gucci belt coming soon.
Your
Are you
Gucci,
serious?
yeah, seriously.
I like Bella's creative way of showing you.
This is awesome.
I took an actual like old belt, and I wrote like GG on it and said coming soon. It's here. Are you ready?
I am now.
Let's do this. You don't have to have a hat on. I don't always look my best when I film.
Need my hat though.
So mean.
Oh!
Even I wake up and I look in the mirror. Someone's feeling a little self-conscious and they're going to change their outfit so they can be on camera. Okay, so you guys obviously just saw the video that was on Christmas Day of her opening the Gucci belt, but this is what I gave her in this Bobby Brown box, and it says Gucci on it. It's like one of my old belts, and then it says coming soon on back order. Are you very excited, ma'am?
Yes, I'm excited.
You better be. Here we go.
Careful, you're gonna cause me to stab myself. I do know what it is.
Here's the self-conscious man that had to change to be on camera.
In honor of Solomon. Go ahead and do it again. In honor of Solomon. In honor of Solomon.
All right. Inside of. Oh my gosh.
It literally says Gucci.
Does it?
Yeah, keeping that box forever.
I'm not gonna scream. Cool.
Edit.
Wow,
Little bag.
that bag is so cute. It looks like where you put wine in.
Does look like a wine bag. All right.
There we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Ah!
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. You gotta sport it to everybody. Yes. Yes. Comes in that classic Gucci bag. How cute.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the layers this
It
thing
comes in a dust bag. Hopefully it fits, Lord God. Work miracles.
We hope it fits. Oh my gosh, it looks like it might be
Too big.
Wow. I don't
It
know.
looks like it's gonna be too big.
We're gonna try it and see. All right.
I'm mesmerized. Oh, that's definitely way too big. That's gonna be so huge on you.
Well, you guys are ordering European sizes.
I know.
Do you realize that?
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so big.
It's huge. That's gonna be humongous. Too big.
It's too big.
too much in the side.
But I love it.
It's so pretty.
It's beautiful.
It's iconic. GORIAGANG.
So wait, do I just need one size smaller?
Put it in here. Is it seriously too big? Like, try it
Can't
on your
they
waist
punch a
anywhere.
hole?
Try it.
No.
No, what?
You don't have to punch another hole with it.
Why not?
And you
No,
don't punch
it
a
might
hole.
fit you when you wear it on your actual hips, not just in your waist. Do you wear high-waisted jeans or do you mostly wear?
I'm gonna wear high-waisted jeans.
Okay. I wear high-waisted jeans. That's why.
Mom jeans?
I'm back to mom jeans. I don't think
like
it's too big, but when I get it through the pants, it might be different.
I'd like to take it off.
Oh, take it off, okay.
Look how cute this dust bag is. So cute. Get a good whiff.
I'll put a pair of jeans on
Smell the leather.
Go put some jeans on.
real quick and then we'll...
Guys, look how iconic this is. He put it around his hat. I think that if they made one, like a band for your hat with a Gucci, I'd get it for you.
GORIAGANG.
GORIAGANG. I like that. I like it around the hat. It's cool. Alright, she's trying it with jeans now because it might fit better.
Girl, look at those high-waisted jeans.
Girl, you
Look at
happened.
the high-waisted jeans on that girl.
Girl, you happened. And one more. Now try to fit it. Might work now. Oh, it goes to the back.
Doesn't matter, it's still not gonna fit her.
Still too big. Oh, it goes to the back. I see what you're saying.
Apparently you have to have a school lesson on how to put a belt on.
Or just a dad degree. 3 holes
Yeah,
in the
but it
mouth.
looks really good. It's
is.
super cute. Super cute. I like it.
Cute.
Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. Obviously my mom has to get 2 sizes down in the belt. We obviously didn't know, or we would have gotten her right size, but she absolutely loves it. And she's just so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and join the GORIAGANG if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you ended up enjoying it, and leave a comment down below what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.